Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Let me display the first chart, and you will have the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then, the E minor composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then, the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp and the B, and the bass note of B. And eventually, the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of F sharp. And here's how you will play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in normal speed, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Baby, this love. And then you can continue with the verse, for you will be playing this exact same chart. Baby, this love, I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one. I'd like to see him try. So you're gonna play this chart twice for the verse, and then you'll repeat it 2 more times for the upcoming pre-chorus. I'm a madman for your touch, girl, I've lost control. I'm gonna make this last forever, don't tell me it's impossible. 'Cause I'll love you for infinity. And you reach the chorus, and you're gonna need a new chart. And now let me suggest another playing method. So this time you will do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this twice. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity. Yeah, I love you for infinity. And you reach the interlude, which you will play with the same chord order, but I suggest that you take your playing 1 step further. Here's a readapted chart, and this time I suggest that you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. And again, you do this twice. And in normal speed, it should sound like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. But you could also play the melody you hear in this very interlude. Here's a new chart, and once at normal speed, it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now slowly it should sound like this. 3, 4. And now you reach the second verse that you could play using the different methods you learned, but you could also play these chords with arpeggios. Here's a readapted chart for the verse, and this time you're gonna play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the indicated number of times. Oh darling, my soul, you know it aches for yours, and you've been feeling this hole since you were born. Oh. And you reach the pre-chorus again, which you will play with that same chart. Since you were born. Oh, 'cause you're the reason I believe in fate. You're my paradise, and I'll do anything to be your love, will be your sacrifice, 'cause I love you for infinity. And you reach the chorus again, and yes, you're gonna keep that same chord. 'Cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity, 'cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity. And for the upcoming interlude, it's gonna be the same thing, so just repeat this chord twice in a row, or you can play the melody that we saw earlier. And now you reach the bridge, and you will need a new chord in order to play that section. So here it is, and I will resume with pressed chords, but feel free to continue with arpeggios if you want to. Meet me at the bottom of the ocean, where the time is frozen, where all the universe is open. Love isn't random, we are chosen. And you repeat this chord 2 more times to finish this section. You will then be able to continue with the last chorus and the last interlude, which you will be playing like the previous ones before finishing this song with either the interlude melody or the B minor chord. I wish you good luck with this song, and I will see you very soon for the next one.